Welcome to the Blended ROP online modules. This PowerPoint presentation will provide you with info to navigate the Canvas Learning Management System so you can get the most out of the ROP modules. This slide shows the homepage. Check out the left-hand navigation pane. Here you will find access to the modules, assignments, discussions, and people participating in the blended program with you. First, we will check out the modules by clicking on Modules in the left-hand navigation pane. The Modules page provides you access to the in-person meetings pages, as well as all of the modules we will be learning about as we go through the program together. Here you can see that the in-person meeting module has been minimized in order to show the other three modules we will discuss as we go through the program together. Each module will be published and available for viewing before we meet to discuss the module. Let's start by looking more closely at the in-person meeting pages, starting with the page Start Here. Here you will find a flashback video to remind you of what we did together during the in-person meeting. There are two tasks which should be completed by our first online meeting. They are the last two items in this in-person module. We will discuss them in more depth later in this slide deck. It's important to note on this page that there is a Next button. To navigate between pages in the module, simply click it to take you to the next page. Clicking Next takes you to the Program Module Overview page. This slide shows only one half of the content on this page. The important points to note here are 1. There are 4 modules currently, and 2. There are 3 kinds of sessions within each module. The second half of the page provides a description of each of the modules and sessions. You can also access PDFs of the module timing and the modules overviews. Clicking Next takes you to the ROP Coaching Workshop page, as well as a description of the ROP sessions experienced in the coaching workshop. You can also download a more detailed agenda as shown on the next slide. This slide details the first meeting agenda, as well as the online tasks or homework leading into that first meeting, and the online tasks assigned as a follow-up to the meeting. So we are all prepared to engage in meeting number 2. Back to the modules. Scrolling to the bottom of this page, you can click on Previous or Next to navigate through the pages. Clicking on the modules in the left-hand navigation from any page will take you back to the Modules page. Let's do that. Here you can see that 2 summary pages follow the ROP Coaching Workshop page we were just looking at. Take a look at those pages to remind yourself of what we discussed during the in-person meeting. The next section, Online Tasks, will take you to the tasks to complete before we meet for the first meeting. Let's click on Community Meet and Greet. Here's a chance to get reacquainted. Before the first meeting, update your profile on Canvas. Here's where you will find the account so you can update your profile. Then make and upload an introduction video about yourself. To do that, first initiate a reply, and initiating the reply provides you access to the video icon in the menu. Then post your reply, which will make your video available for others to see. Now from the meet and greet, you can either click Next or go back to the modules page. From the modules page, you can click on the Read and Vlog, How People Learn, Revisit. Another way to get to this page is actually to click on the left-hand navigation page on the assignments, and you'll see that it comes up here as well. So there's 2 ways to access the assignments. There are also 2 ways to access the community meet and greet, which is a discussion. You can see that in the left-hand module as well. So that takes us through our first online tutorial of the ROP modules, and we're very much looking forward to seeing you online.